Hi guys! So ngayon, kakain tayo ng galing sa 7-Eleven. So magsa 7-Eleven haul tayo. One all-time favorite hotdog. Burger. Lasagna. Tofu sisig. Salmon mayo. Last but not the least, we need rice. Samgyupto. First one, we need to open this. We have salmon nigiri. Next, the big bite. Next. Taste test. Big bite. Five out of 10. Di ko bet? It's not for me. Maybe it's for you. Maybe it's for you. The plant-based chicken burger. Mukhang masarap. Sana masarap. Pinto siya. Big bite. Hello? 8 out of 10. The tofu sisig. Kaya wala yung ulam sa kanin. Galing. Konti lang siya. Wala tayong spoon. Fork lang. So, carry na to. Ili. Ito muna. Masarap. Masarap after with rice. Look at that.